Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Swap Suite. Today, we're making this video. We're gonna mainly be talking about Yahoo Finance and how to go on there and look at income statements, financials, stuff like that. So right now, I have Kroger pulled up, which is the stock that we're gonna be really dissecting. So on this channel, we basically go through different. It's really about like financial education, just talking about a lot of different things that can help individuals when it comes to like upping their finance games. This can help a lot of people when they're doing fundamentals. When it comes to like researching different stocks and blah blah, thinking about investing in different companies and stuff. So you go right here on Yahoo Finance and you type in the ticker symbol that you want to type in. So KR is Kroger, which is the one that we're trying to look for right now. Just because I think next week I'm probably gonna. Well, I opened a option position on this, um, so I'll probably do another video on how that goes. So stay tuned. But basically, yeah, you go into it, you type in the ticker symbol or the company name that you need to type in, and then you go here into the financials. Mind you, there's different tabs here. Obviously, if you want to research some news, look at their chart, um, statistics, historical data, stuff like that. But the most important thing on here is going to be the financials tab. So this tab right here really just tells you about the company's performance. It's, if you really think about it on a basic level, it's like um, a lot of like individuals, like how you do your uh, how you like, okay, so you go to work, you get paid, right? So that's the profit that you will make. You see, and then your expenses would be, you're paying for rent, you're paying for utilities, you're paying for food and stuff like that. So it's the same thing when it comes to businesses. They have revenue, they have expenses, and their profit is going to be revenue minus expenses equals their profit. So those are the basic things that you guys will need to know. So once you go on here, basically breaks it down, right? So you have the total revenue, how much they brought in, and it says here all numbers are in thousands. So um, this is 150 billion, I believe. Um, but this is how much they brought in for each year. So it's broken down in columns. So this is their total revenue. This is their gross profit. So um, this is how much they brought in. This is their operating expenses, how much they spent to bring this amount in, right? If that makes sense. They spent 30,000 on operating expense to bring in this number, and this number is their gross, which is income minus expenses. And they also have like other expenses down here, um, interest expense, um, or this is their total expenses here, right? Total expenses. So this is how much they actually, yeah. So this is their total expense. Um, this is their operating expense for that timeline. So, and then you have to see net income. So net income is basically how much after like taxes and everything is taken out, how much they kept. So how much they have. So let's see if we can find net income. So this is net non-operating interest expense. Let's see if we can find net income from continuing. Let's see if we can find net income from continuing and discounted operations. So this is their net income right here. So you guys really just have to go through and kind of read this out. So this is how much they made, 2 million. 2 million. So they've been making income. So they're a steady company. This tells me that they're a steady company, um, up and down in revenue, but they're still steady, right? For the past 4 years. What else? You can go into earnings per share, looking at how much earnings um, they have per share. You can look at their EBITDA, but the main things um, that you want to look at is their um, gross profit. They have their operating expense. I'm trying to see if they have a total operating income. So you look at these numbers and just see if it's a negative, then okay, they're not making money, right? It's just like personal. If you spend more than you um, make, you're losing money. So that wouldn't really be a really solid company to invest in. But if their numbers are growing year over year, then that means they're doing something right. Um, and then you can look at their tax provisions, stuff like that. But it's like um, those aren't the core things. Um, Other income expense. So these are like other expenses that they have. Operating expenses. This is expenses that they have from operating. This is how much. Again, this is their gross profit. This is how much they made when you take out their cost of goods sold, and when you take out how much they actually paid to bring in that income, and then this isn't subtract. This doesn't subtract taxes and everything like that. Um, and this is how much it costs them to bring in their revenue. So cost of revenue. This is how much it costs to bring in that revenue. Um, and then this is total expenses. So this is how much they expense over that time frame. So you just basically go do the math, and you come out with their net net income. Where is that? We just saw it. Net common stockholder, net income common shareholder. So yeah, this is net income right here. This is what we're looking at. Their net income, which is right here. Net income. So this is the number. This is the exact number that we're looking at, net income. So year over year, they've been steady. Their best year so far was 2021. 2022, they performed poorly. 2023, they came back. 2024. And then you can go up here and look at their quarterly, right? So this is broken down into like their different quarters. Um, Now, obviously, if you get Yahoo Finance's subscription, right, you'll be able to um, see more in detail. But so their net income per quarter, 2024 in January, they had pretty solid. They were pretty solid in January. So now, based off this, you can go back and look at their technicals and see if you really want to invest in a company like this or not, right? So that's that. That's an overview on Yahoo Finance. There's other sites that kind of track the same things as well, but Yahoo Finance is relatively easy for literally anybody to go on. Even their non-paid plan, which is what I'm on right now, I can get some information. Another one is SEO, ec.gov, which is where you can actually get their in-depth detail information. So if you guys want me to make another video on that right there, put it in the comment section below. Tell me, did you guys get any value from this video? What did you specifically learn from this video? And how is this going to help you on your journey, investment journey, or anything like that? Go ahead and make sure you subscribe to this video so that way you can get more information once I post new videos and everything like that. So I appreciate you guys for sticking around, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.